Benvolguts verquinautes, benvinguts a aquest nou capítol de Loom. Hem sortit de Crystalgar, descobert com impressionar els grangers, així que anem a posar a prova els nostres coneixements. Els nous coneixements, així que som-hi doncs, amics i amigues, benvinguts verquinautes.
He's back!
So are we going somewhere, little wizard?
Va donar part, petit lluixot.
I was better off with the elders back home.
Hauria sigut millor tornar amb els savis. No m'ha quedat a casa. I bé, anem a veure. Ui, ens hem convertit en dracs. Sembla divertit,
That worked.
però no tinc pinta de ser gaire
I don't feel very scary.
Aviam, ovelletes. D, E, F... D, E, F... Sembla que desperta
Hey, you!
aquest nano. A, F, E, D,
Get away from here!
a dormir.
Now I've got to go and round them all up again. And you'd better not be here when I get back. Go on now.
Ara, torneu a on éreu. I aprenem a dormir i despertar. Ui, a dormir.
Poor fella. He must have had a long night.
I si ens fem invisible? GC. No crec que funcioni. No.
That's
Yeah.
not going to work as long as he's sleeping.
No. Convertim-les de color blanc. Ai, color verd. Bobin, torna cap aquí. Torna cap aquí. Torna cap aquí. Benvolgut Bobin. Thunder. Com així. Anem a convertir-los en verd. Anem a provar. És important.
Poor fella. He must have had a long night. Hey, you!
Tu,
Green sheep!
ovelles
Ever
verdes.
heard of green sheep?
Ah.
How am I supposed to watch sheep that I can hardly see?
Com se suposa que ets a veure les ovelles. I estan
Go on
verdes.
now.
Vale. Pensava que milloràvem alguna cosa, però veo que no. Continuem sent hechiceros de tercer nivell. Hem arribat al tercer nivell. Nivell bàsic, la C, la D i la E. Do, re, mi, la, ja fa sol, ens falta la si i el do major. Vam entrar aquí. Ui, una ovelleta.
Hello there. Who said
Ah,
that?
qui ha dit això? Aquests grangers...
I did.
Qui he sigut jo?
name is Fleece,
El meu nom és
first
Fleece.
chosen of the Guild of Shepherds. I wish we had
Primer
time to chat a
escollido.
while and trade some tales, but we've got a serious problem on our hands.
Però
What
tinc
sort
un...
of trouble are you having?
It
Sembla que el
seems
drac
we've a dragon nearby
està a
who
prop
has an enormous
i
appetite
té,
for fresh mutton.
té
We
ganes
breed our sheep
d'ovelleta.
for extra whiteness, so we cannot keep them on the meadows.
I
Sheep
són
spit them miles
massa
away. But
blancs.
now the dragon has carried off so many that we may not be able to fill the cleric's order.
Els
Clerics?
clèrics.
I just saw the bishop at the glassmakers.
Bishop
això fan-
Randall? He placed the order for 10,000 sheep.
10,000
Ha demanat
sheep?
10.000
That's enough to feed an army.
ovelles.
Yes, that had occurred to us too. You noticed our increased patrol in the forest.
Per això hem
We'll
incrementat
deliver the
les
sheep to the
patrulles en...
clerics if we can, but we won't trust them.
I suppose fighting the dragon will be out of the question.
Suposo que
Only
lluitar contra
a
el
mage
drac és
can
impossible.
save us.
Només un mag podria salvar-nos.
I see you've noticed my little friend.
Sembla que ha vist el nostre petit amic.
She doesn't look at all well.
No sembla que
She
estigui.
isn't, and my songs of healing don't seem to be
Sembla que els
bringing her
meus
much comfort.
cants de sanació no serveixen. Però semblen posar-li més còmode.
I wish I were better with them.
Her eyes open
M'agradaria poder fer més.
just a little.
Sembla
Try
que
it again.
ha obert una mica els ulls. Torna a provar. C, A, C. No, que això és per curar. No sembla que funcioni.
Her eyes are closed again.
Sembla que els seus ulls
Perhaps I should sing a bit slower.
Potser si ho faig més lentament. C, A, C.
No, it's no use.
Sembla que no serveix.
Perhaps I shouldn't bother her. Perhaps I shouldn't bother her.
The flock is out to pasture. You'll find them there. Go forth, wizard, and may you return safely to our fold.
Dóna sa i estalvi de la teva aventura. Aquí els haurem de convertir en verd. DD, CD.
Fleece was right. They really are.
Mi, do, re, mi, fa, sol, do, re.
Guess that isn't a draft.
Com que no? Ai, en verd és re, do, re. En color verd. Ui, el drac se'ns emporta. Quin crit que fem, eh?
Well, whatever here? Oh,
Qui ets tu?
that's what comes of being in such a blazing hurry,
No,
I
no,
guess. I thought you looked a bit scrawny. Why, you
No,
don't
no,
make a
sorry.
decent kindling.
Aquí està com el seu tresor.
That's quite a bit of gold you have there.
That?
Sembla
Oh,
que tens
that's
molt d'or.
nothing compared to what it used to be. Piled floor to ceiling it was. Everyone said it was the most beautiful
no.
there anywhere, and right they were too. Then one day,
One day.
last spring it was, comes along this third-rate wizard who botched up everything. He tried to get the volcano to blow, but only shook up the place in a huge
intentat fer-me-
earthquake instead. Broke all my fancy glass, mind you, and made off with most of the gold too. The only thing he left me
No.
was a gorgeous glass ball.
M'agradaria tenir una...
Have you no manners, lad? Stop staring at me.
Oh, was I staring? So sorry.
Oh, don't mind me, lad. I get rather crotchety on an empty stomach.
Does that mean you're going to incinerate me then?
Incinerate me?
Incinerate you? Oh, my, aren't you the fox foxy one. I haven't created any fire since my last mating
Fa temps que no he
season.
creat
And
foc
you
ni
don't
res.
want to know how many centuries ago that was. No, that's much too much heat for me these days.
You mean you can't breathe fire?
No em pots fer res?
Let's just say I won't. Just between you and me, love, the stuff gives me the heebie-jeebies.
Intentem espantar. Espantar com era? E-F...
It might help to point at something first. It might help to point at something first.
No, intentar espantar un drac. No sé com s'espanta un drac.
Eek! Fire! Put it out! Put it out!
Fora, fora.
That wasn't the least bit funny, young man.
No ha estat gens divertit, això.
We are not amused.
No m'ha divertit pas. I si convertim això?
It's gold again. What useless stuff.
Convertim-ho en palla. I després si espantem. No. Té una solució.
Put it back the way you found it. Now.
Posa-ho tot com estava abans. Podem adormir o espantar. Espantar. Primer.
Eek! Fire! You haven't heard the last of me,
No és l'últim cop que
you
senties a
cheeky
parlar amb mi.
rat!
No, anem per aquí. Benvolguts per Quinauta. Em sembla que no ho he dit, benvolguts per Quinautes. No sé.